Hello, Adab, Namaste, and welcome to the Sunday recipe on our very own Mum's Kitchen. To make your Sunday all the more exciting and sweet, I present to you an all-time favorite dessert, the fruit custard. Fruit custard is one of those recipes which is super easy to make and it tastes heavenly. The only catch is to adjust the ratio of milk and custard powder to get that perfect consistency. Otherwise, sometimes the custard becomes very thick and sometimes very dilute. So, let's see how we achieve that perfect consistency of fruit custard. And before we begin, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and also click on the bell icon to receive the notification of my latest videos. Let's begin. First things first, I'm taking little less than 1 liter of milk and we are going to leave it to come to a boil. Okay, next this is half a cup of milk which I had taken from the 1 liter of milk which is right now kept for boiling, and I've taken 5 tablespoons of custard powder. So for 1 liter of milk we will be using 5 tablespoons of custard powder. Now slowly and steadily mix the custard powder and the milk to form a smooth slurry. Alright, let's check the milk. I think it's come to a boil now. We'll quickly give it a stir. And firstly, we will add about half a cup of sugar to this and mix it until the sugar dissolves completely into this. So the quantity of sugar that you want to add is completely up to you. So you can adjust it according to how much sweet you want your custard to be. Okay, now it's time to add the custard and milk mixture. So I'm gonna add it slowly and keep mixing it. This will ensure that the custard does not stick to the bottom of the pan and also does not form any lumps. Alright, while the custard is cooking, don't forget to keep stirring, and it will take about 4 to 5 minutes for the custard to cook properly. To check, you can run your finger on the back of the spoon, and if it is a clean cut, then you can be sure that the custard is now cooked well. Okay, here the cooking process is over and I've taken the custard out in a bowl, and we are going to let it come to room temperature before we add the fruits or place it in the refrigerator for cooling. Okay, the custard has now cooled down and you see it's become a little more thick. It's perfect now. So it's time to add the fruits here. Now I have some chopped grapes, apples, bananas and pomegranate. And let me add all of these, and I'm going to keep a little bit aside for garnishing it later on. After adding the fruits, mix everything together and we will keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. Alright, it's been about 4 hours and I've taken the custard out from the refrigerator, and do you see the consistency? It looks perfect for a fruit custard. So I'm going to quickly shift it to another bowl and then garnish it with the fruits that we had kept aside, and yep, it will be ready to be served. Do try this recipe, friends, with the exact ratio of the ingredients that I have used, and let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. If you like the recipe, do give a thumbs up and share this recipe with your families and friends. Enjoy, and I will see you next weekend with yet another amazing and easy to make home food recipes. Take care of yourself. Khuda Hafiz.